Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member, and in this segment I'm going to be going over how to fuse point data with census tract data. So let's go ahead and get started here. So the first, obviously with R Studio or R, you have to initially install the packages and then provide this in the library. This is pretty much customary for any sort of R code that is being that is being run. So here is the file name, and this is the Excel file that is being uploaded, and that's being called points.df. The type of package, the name of the package, is actually library SF. So when we're taking that, that's the St. Louis data set, and then what you do here, you take a census tract, and this is the data set with the point data, and then this is the data set with some census tract information with social determinants of health. And when I say social determinants of health, this is more the vulnerability index, social vulnerability index. So now what you're doing is you're actually downloading, for one state, what you're downloading is a shapefile. And remember, with the shapefile, you actually have about 6 files that you are downloading, and make sure that you know the location of this, because R actually reads this. So once you read this, the shapefile that is known as tracts. This is where the projection changes to WGS 1984. By the way, this number changes depending on what state you're looking at. So this is actually St. Louis. 26 would have been Michigan, and we had looked at Detroit. So this is with St. Louis. So here's the projection, and then here is the census tract data in this projection. And so this is reprojected for the join. Here we go. And then this is where the actual join is taking place. All of this code has been written. This is some cleanup that's going on. And then from the SVI file, here's what is fused, and then you write down, this is where you write down the file name. And this file actually has to be, so this is something also important to note, and this happens as you kind of learn about this. So this has to be a unique file name. Then I'm going to show you what the actual file looks like, and the file looks like this. So the initial file, all that was there was the census tract information, in terms of, actually there was point information that was mapped to the census tract already. So this is the date. What you're interested in is to see where the census tract information is. If you could scroll over, then you'll see, first of all, the county FIPS, and that's important because if you're fusing county level data, then that's an important way that you can identify and fuse, or join is the more important way to put this. Another caveat with census tract is sometimes this has leading zeros, and there's actually a video on how to include leading zeros in Excel, because Excel has a tendency to automatically drop off leading zeros. Now fortunately in this file we don't have any leading zeros. This is St. Louis, and the census tract actually starts with 2. So that summarizes what happens, and then what you can do, multiple things that you can do with this file. Number one, what you can do is map this on map the census tract on ArcMap, and that will allow you to see the points that are available within the map. And then what you do is kind of look at the count and map accordingly. Additionally, what you can do is you can go into SPSS and run some of the analysis, anything from multiple regression to kind of a qualitative understanding of what's going on within the map. This is what's happening. This is a way to convert from R to Excel, and once you're in Excel, you can actually upload this to ArcMap, or you can actually convert this to SPSS and run an analysis. So there you have it. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.